Meaning of cyborg. Cyborg. Cyborg.
Cyborg. Cyborg. A cyborg, short for cybernetic organism, is a being that combines both biological and mechanical components. This can be achieved through a variety of means, such as incorporating technology into the body or using biological materials to enhance the performance of machines. The goal of creating cyborgs is often to improve overall function and capabilities beyond what is possible with purely organic or purely technological systems. Cyborgs have been explored in science fiction for decades, but there are also real-world applications such as prosthetics, neural implants, and artificial organs.